Oh.
You gotta put it on your forehead.
Kissing me TV.
Hi guys, welcome back to another video.
Today we're playing Egg Dog. It is the backflip.
Hey guys, so this is how you play the game. You have to spin the spinner. And if it lands on egg. So that means I have to egg myself. And then if it lands on pass, that means I have to pass it to Kingston or Alice. And if it's the egged on an egg another, that means I can either egg Kingston or Alice over there behind the box. You already know.
I'm high.
And if it lands on 2 eggs, that means I have to egg myself twice. So let's get straight to the game, you guys. So we're gonna play egg dog. Instead of just using water, guys, we're going to use apple juice, pickle juice, and an egg.
Which is real. So you know how that's gonna go, you guys.
Let's get straight to the game.
Kingston, you have to spin.
Spin the spinner. Okay. Spinny thingy.
Wait. Oh.
Just say egg
Another.
So that means, Kingston, you get to egg either KK or Alice. Who do you want to egg?
Alice.
Alice! Alright, you ready?
Yes.
Go!
Nothing.
Nothing.
Alice.
I go first. Go next.
What does it land on? Pass.
It's your turn, KK.
Oh yeah.
What is it land on? What is it land on? What is it land on? I got another.
So, KK get the egg somebody else. Who you gonna egg?
Kingston.
No.
Kingston. So pick one up and egg Kingston. It's empty. It's empty. All right, Kingston, it's your turn.
Egg 2.
Oh.
No, it's
arrow. It says 2 eggs.
It's 2 eggs.
2 eggs. So first one. Empty. You do one more. No. You gotta put it on your forehead.
Oh!
Was it water? Or pickle juice?
Apple juice.
It was apple juice. Okay, guys, so Kingston had a runny egg, so that means he's out. So now it's between Alice and KK.
Go, Alice.
You want me to get out or you want me to win?
I know you can win.
Okay. Egg another person. Oh, so she got an egg, KK.
Let me go ahead and take my grandpa glasses off, you know what I'm saying?
Telepathic.
Get
Telepathic. Send me a telepathic signal eggs. Okay, which one? It's A. I'm pick Kingston one.
Ooh! What's that, bro?
It was pickles. Okay, Alice. So Alice won. Second round.
Ooh, pickle juice stink.
Okay, guys, this is round 2. Since Alice went first last time, since Alice won last time, she's gonna go first this time. Okay, you ready?
Boop, boop.
Spin it up.
What did it land on? Egg myself.
Alice has to egg herself, guys.
Egg yourself. Egg yourself.
Telepathic
Egg
signal.
yourself.
Oh, it's something in it.
I don't know what it was. Go, Kingston. Go, Kingston.
I'm out.
2 eggs. 2 eggs.
No.
Empty.
Yay.
You need to get one more empty one.
Oh, he got 2 empty ones.
Okay, your turn,
My
KK.
turn.
I don't take it on you.
Okay, that's what's up.
What'd you get?
2 eggs.
2 eggs.
It's pickle juice.
What is it?
Pray for me.
You don't know what it is, Kingston. Oh, what? Oh, it was something. What was it?
Water.
Water. You gotta do one more.
It's nothing in it.
Oh, okay. So Kingston won that round.
You want to keep.
Click this time.
Okay, y'all ready for round 3?
Yes.
Okay, so since Kingston won last round, he gets to go first this round.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right, spin away.
Egg another.
Okay, Kingston, who do you want to egg?
KK.
Oh, KK. All right, you ready?
Ready, KK.
1, 2, 3, go. Is there something in there? Oh my. It's the actual egg. Wait, Kingston, we gotta do replay. Replay.
Click, replay.
Y'all are crazy. Okay, so KK's out. Ew. Kingston, that's a raw egg. You're not supposed to eat raw egg.
This is
Okay.
He like.
ew.
So since Alice won the last round, she gets to go first this round. Spin it up.
What it land
Salt,
on?
baby, salt, baby.
Hey.
So, baby, so.
Egg another.
Oh, you want an egg?
Okay, yeah. Hey, Kingston, bro, you got me messed up. Nah, I hit you. I think it's the pickle juice. Is that pickle juice? You know I'm gonna take this L, bro. Bring it.
What was it?
Pickle juice.
Yeah.
My turn.
Your turn, Kingston.
I'm eyeball. Wait a minute.
Pass.
Pass. Okay, KK turn.
I hope it lands on egg another, so I can egg you right in your
You
face.
out, so how is your turn?
It's your turn.
I don't know, bro.
Pass.
Yay.
It's in between, so I'm gonna go with egg another. Egg another,
Which
Kingston.
one you want to choose?
Egg no. Gotta be ready for this.
It's nothing for me today.
I'm good at.
Okay. What it
So
land
I
on?
still go. I didn't get out. Let's see telepathic. What is it telling me to get?
What was it?
Apple juice.
What was it?
Pickle.
Pickle juice. He said pickle juice.
Bye guys. Thank you for watching.
Make sure you like and subscribe to Kingston BTV.
Smash that like button.
You
like,
already know.
smash